Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can clear Teachable Machine project. So we have some options, so we will go through them all. So let's start with the method 1. So if you want to reset everything to a blank slate, you can do that. Click the menu icon, so 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner, and click New Project. New window here will appear, and choose here image, audio, or pose project. This is one option. Then we have in this project that we already have, what we can do is we can remove these classes, for example. So if we click here on the class, this class number 2, you will see these gray 3 dots at the right side. Click on that, and right here you can select that you will remove all samples, uh, disable class or delete class. So if we remove all samples, now you have basically empty class again, and you can add some different types of images into it. So this is really useful if you want to keep the class name but delete all the images or sounds inside it. So the last thing what you can do is also that you scroll here through the thumbnails in this class box and go with your mouse over the image, and you will see this box right here, this trash right over here. So if you click it, you will remove an image, easy as that. And yeah, you can also click on the image, check it, and then hit right here the trash button. So this is basically how you can clear Teachable Machine project. I hope this video helped you. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next